Hello and welcome to MargBooks. Today's topic is Bill of Material, BOM. BOM, or Bill of Materials, is a list that defines all the raw materials, parts, components, and their required quantities needed to manufacture a finished product. To understand it simply, just as a machine requires a motor, screws, wires, a control panel, nuts, bolts, and other components, a BOM specifies exactly which materials and how much quantity is required to produce one finished product. In this video, we learn how to create a bill of material in MargBooks and how it is used in the production process. Before using the bill of material feature, we first need to enable its settings in MargBooks. To do this, log into MargBooks. After logging in, the dashboard will open. From the dashboard, click on Settings, then go to Control Room Settings. In the search bar at the top, search for BOM. Now, enable the Bill of Material setting by selecting Yes. After enabling the setting, click Close and save the changes. Next, go to the Stock Management option from the left side menu. Then click on Bills of Material. Here, you will find 3 BOM options that are used throughout the production process, from raw materials to the final product. Now, we'll implement these 3 options one by one. First, click on Material Master. As soon as you click on Material Master, the Master Creation window will open. Now click on F2, Create. The Material Master window will appear, where you need to enter the required details. For this example, we want to manufacture a labeling machine. So we need to define the raw materials required to produce one machine. First, enter machine in the BOM name field. After entering the BOM name, select the finished product. If the finished product already exists, select it from the item list. If it is not available, press F2, Create, to create a new item. After selecting the finished product, enter the quantity. Here, we are taking the quantity as 1. After entering the quantity, press Enter. The item window will open. Since we are creating the formula for one machine, we need to define all the raw materials and their quantities required to manufacture it. For example, select motor with a quantity of 1. Select roller set with a quantity of 1. Select control panel with a quantity of 1. Similarly, add all the remaining required raw materials one by one. After adding all the raw materials, press F10, Save. The focus will now move to the byproduct selection window. If any byproduct or wastage is generated during production, select it here. If there is no byproduct, simply skip this step. In this example, all the raw materials are fully consumed to produce one machine, so no byproduct is generated. If a byproduct were available, its quantity would also be defined here. Now click on the Addition Cost grid. Here, the expense ledgers will be displayed. For example, if assembly charges are applicable, select the assembly charges ledger. Then enter the expense amount applicable per finished product. If there are additional expenses, add them one by selecting the appropriate ledger and entering the corresponding value. Now press F10, Save. Your Material Master has now been successfully saved. At this stage, we have completely defined how much raw material and additional cost will be consumed to manufacture one finished product. Now let's move to the next process, raw material issue. As we defined the formula for one labeling machine in the Material Master, suppose we now want to manufacture 20 machines. Accordingly, we need to issue the required raw materials to the production department. To do this, return to the dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Bill of Material, then select Material Issue. The Material Issue screen will open. Click on F2, Create. The ledger list window will appear. Select the Production Department ledger. Now select each raw material item one by one and enter the required quantity. Here, we will enter a quantity of 20 for each raw material because we are producing 20 machines. After entering all the items and quantities, press F10 Save. The material issue entry will now appear in the issue list.
Now the next process is material receive. For this, return to the dashboard. Then, go to the left side menu and click on Bill of Material, followed by Material Receive. The Material Receive list screen will open. Now, click on F2 Create. After that, the ledger list window will appear. Here, select the production department ledger. Next, select the finished product, labeling machine. Now, enter the quantity you want to receive. As soon as you enter the quantity, the raw material consumed window will open and automatically display the raw materials consumed according to the material master. Click OK and then press F10 Save. The material receive entry will be saved successfully. You can now see that 20 labeling machines have been added to the item list. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel.